They smiled while painting watches, unaware that every brushstroke was slowly killing them. In the early 1920s, young women were hired to paint glowing radium watch dials. The work seemed safe, even glamorous. The paint shimmered in the dark, and the women were proud to be part of a new modern industry. They were told to shape their brushes with their lips to make perfect lines. One stroke after another, they swallowed tiny amounts of radium every single day. No one warned them. In fact, they were told it was harmless. At first, nothing seemed wrong. The women laughed, worked, and went home glowing faintly in the dark. But slowly, something terrible began happening inside their bodies. Pain came first. Jaw swelling, loose teeth, constant fatigue. Doctors were confused until X-rays revealed the truth. Their bones were breaking from the inside. The radium had poisoned them, replacing healthy bone with decay. Hospitals filled with young women who should have been healthy and full of life. Families watched helplessly as daughters and sisters faded away. Meanwhile, the companies denied responsibility and told workers to stay silent. Some of the women refused. Weak, sick, and in pain, they took their fight to the courtroom. Evidence showed the companies had known the dangers and chose profit over lives. The public was outraged. Protests erupted. The Radium Girls became symbols of courage, and their fight forced new safety laws that protect workers to this day. Today we remember them not just as victims, but as heroes. Their suffering changed history, and their story reminds us of a simple truth. Progress should never come at the cost of human life. If you want more true stories the world tried to bury, subscribe and stay with us.